Welcome, parents and students. I want to talk to you about some traffic patterns that we're going to make this year in order to accommodate what we expect to be an overflow in traffic. And we want to avoid having a backup on Old Canoe Highway or East Hall Road, causing a traffic pattern that we won't be able to get out of. So in order to accommodate this, we are making some adjustments to what we did. Now, if you remember last year, as you came onto East Hall Road, you just pulled into the school and you just dropped your student off here, came back around, and you left the building. We are going to adjust that. So if you're coming from Old Canoe Highway, you're going to make a right on East Hall Road, then make a right on East Hall Drive, and then up into the school, come around through the parking lot, and you will drop your student off right here by the gym. That is where they will get their temperature checked and where they will basically kind of get their day started, and then from there they will work their way down. As you leave, you'll just come on out and go out East Hall Road, whichever way you want to go. If you're coming from the middle school, you'll just come up East Hall Road and then make a left on East Hall Drive and pull in again into the school, in through the parking lot, and again drop your student off at the gym and exit out East Hall Road. So that is how we're going to handle morning flow. Afternoon is going to be very similar, except we are going to make one adjustment at the end. So again, you're going to come Old Canoe Highway, East Hall Road, make a right on East Hall Drive, in through the student parking lot, and then you're going to veer left, and you're going to stay in the left-hand lane the whole time. So we're going to have you drive in the opposite lane of traffic. We're basically making this whole road one flow out as we go forward. But then as you go through the school, you will see some extra guards here, or traffic flow, but then you're going to basically come all the way left, come around through, and pick your student up here. Now, the big difference also here is we are going to have your students waiting in the cafeteria so we can socially distance them. So you will have a number that you are assigned, and then we will call your student's number, and they will come in from the cafeteria, and then when you get them, you'll just exit out and go whichever way you need. Again, if you're coming from the middle school, you're just going to come through here, make a left on East Hall Drive, you're going to drive all the way around. Okay, you're going to stay on the left-hand side only, so that way the right-hand lane's available. And then you're going to drive through here where you'll have your number called, you'll pick up your student, and you'll exit out to the front. Again, if you have any questions, please email adam.rich@hallco.org, and I'll be more than glad to go over them with you. Looking forward to working with your students, and I hope you have a great year. Thank you.